Dear student, welcome to NIPS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal Universal School. Today I am going to take a class for class 1 and today's topic is a mushroom on the grass with color. So my dear student, this is your RW class because I have already took your class. Now I will discuss those problems which you have met before. Okay, now look at this. This is very easy. Okay, first draw an half circle. Okay, then give this curved line and again a curved line for a bit. This is the half line you have drawn. Now draw this and this, then okay, then give a little mushroom for the good composition. Okay, it looks good, and give here some lines and give some tiny circle here also these lines. This is most important lines. You won't refuse these lines. Or now I have give some grass because this is your main subject, mushroom on the grass. Then whenever I have drawn the mushroom, locally we have said this is the frog umbrella, so that for looking nice and funny we have give a frog. This is very easy. First draw this like this, then draw some line from here and here. Give the fingers like this. Here also give some. Okay, this looks bad because it's not the same figure. It's so easy. Now I will brief how I have colored this. Okay, look at the board. First I have used some pink and light blue color on the sky. Then I have used the light yellow color, and here I have used on the grass the green color, and the field I have used here deep yellow, that means yellow ochre, and some brown color also. On the frog I have used here light green and deep green both. And here on the eyes, look at this, I have left some white space. Now I will brief you the mushrooms color. I have used on the mushrooms upper side. First I have colored here by the face color, that means cream color, then biscuit color, then I have used here orange color, and here also orange color and some black line. Here I have used yellow and yellow biscuit color and some burnt sienna color. Here also the same things I have used on tiny mushrooms, and give some deep color, that means deep green and deep blue color on the grass. So my dear student, I hope you all have understood my today's class. You will practice and practice at your home, and then your drawing will be better. So my dear student, practice at your home. Take care of yourself. Thank you. No more today.